Om. कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलम् वाल्मीकिर्मुनिसिंहस्य कवितावनचारिणः शृण्वन् रामकथानादं को न याति परां गतिम् यः पिबन् सततं रामचरितामृतसागरम् अतृप्तस्तं मुनिं वन्दे प्राचेतसमकल्मषम् गोष्पतीकृतवाराशिं वशकीकृतराक्षसम् रामायणमहामाला रत्नं वन्दे नीलात्मजम् अंजनानंदनं वीरं जानकी शोकनाशनं कबीशं मक्षहन्तारं वन्दे लङ्काभयङ्करम् मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूतमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारी परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकं वाल्मीकिगिरिसम्भूता रामसागरगामिनी पुनादिभुवनं पुण्या रामायण महानदी वेदवेद्ये परे पुंसि जाते दशरथात्मजे वेदप्राचेतसा दासीत् साक्षात् रामायणात्मना आपदामपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहम् रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीताया पतये नमः मङ्गलं कौसलेन्द्राय महनीय गुणाब्दये चक्रवर्ती तनूजाय सार्वभौमाय मङ्गलम् सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय। The rainy season is over. The changes that had happened in the past 4 months, showing the nature itself is crying as though for Rama and his present predicament. With great patience, Rama waited for the rains to complete, because during that time no venture can be taken, heavy downpours. And his patience slowly waned away because there was no action from Sugriva's side. Obviously, very upset he was, and also the pangs of separation disturbed him very deeply. He addressed Lakshmana, saying, "It is time that we remind Sugriva about his part of the commitment." We are in the verse number 65 in Canto 30. चक्रवाकीव भर्तारम्
वाकीव भर्तारम्
पृष्ठतो अनुगतावनम्
पृष्ठतो अनुगतावनम्
शमं दण्डकारण्यम्
विषमं दण्डकारण्यम्
उद्यानमिव चाङ्गना
उद्यानमिव चाङ्गना
प्रिया विहिने दुःखार्ते
प्रियाविहीने दुःखार्ते
धृतराज्ये विवासिते
ऋतराज्ये विवासिते
कृपां न कुरुते राजा
कृपां न कुरुते राजा
सुग्रीवो मयि लक्ष्मण
सुग्रीवो मयि लक्ष्मण
अनाथे हृतराज्योऽहम्
अनाथो ऋतराज्योऽहम्
रावणेन च कर्षितः
रावणेन च धर्षितः
दीनो दूरगृहः कामी
दीनो दूरगृहः कामी
मां चैव शरणं गतः
मां चैव शरणं गतः
इत्येतै कारणै सौम्य
एतैः कारणैः सौम्य
सुग्रीवस्य दुरात्मनः
सुग्रीवस्य दुरात्मनः
अहं वानरराजस्य
अहं वानरराजस्य
परिभूतः परन्तपः
परिभूतः परन्तपः
कालं परिसङ्ख्याय
सकालं परिसङ्ख्याय
सीताया परिमार्गणे
सीताया परिमार्गणे
कृतार्थः समयं कृत्वा
कृतार्थः समयं कृत्वा
दुर्मतिर्नावबुध्यते
दुर्मतिर्नावबुध्यते
किष्किन्तां प्रविश्य त्वं
सकिष्किन्धां प्रविश्य त्वं
ब्रूहि वानरपुङ्गवम्
ब्रूहि वानरपुङ्गवम्
मूर्खग्राम्यसुखे सक्तम्
मूर्खं ग्राम्य सुखे सक्तम्
सुग्रीवं वचनान् मम
सुग्रीवं वचनान् मम
मूर्खम् इट इज करेक्ट भर्तारं पृष्ठतः अनुगता वनं चक्रवाकीव विषमं दण्डकारण्यम् अङ्गना उद्यानमिव Janaki, she came behind me, considering this entire forest like a garden, because she had always felt that if I am with Rama, nothing can affect me. Chakravaki iva Bhartaram Angana Prushtataha Anugata Vanam, meaning Chakravaka bird, the female one, would follow the husband into the forest. Dandakaranyam Vishamam Vanam. This very dangerous Dandakaranya forest, Angana Udyanam Viva Anugata. She came as though like a garden, but what happened? Priya Vihine Dukkarte Hridarajye Vivasite Kripam na Kurute Raja Sugriva. Sugriva, the king, is not understanding how I am feeling so inconsolably sorrowful in the absence of my dear one. Priya Vihina Dukkarte, filled with such an amount of sorrow. Hridarajye, my country is gone. Vivasite, being thrown out of that place also. Kripam na kurute Raja Sugriva. In me, the Sugriva is not showing any compassion, O Lakshmana. Aham ana Hridarajyaha. I am without my own country, meaning taken away, my country taken away. Ravanena cha Garshitaha. At the same time, I am also being made enemy by Ravana. And Duragraha, I'm staying far away from my country, therefore I have no sources. I don't have any soldiers or nobody under my command from whom, with whom I can go in search of Sita. You and me, only two of us. Who else? And I am Kami. Kami means I am indeed in great love with Sita, mom. And I also at the present condition, Ityaihi Karanehi, Ityete Karanehi, Soumya. Oh, good looking Lakshmana. Because of these reasons, Sugrivasya Duratmanaha Sharanam Gataha. Mom. So, me, the one who is now taking shelter in that evil Sugriva, Duratmanaha Sharanam Gataha. Aham Vanarasya Duratmanaha Sharanam Gataha. Paribhutaha Parantapa. And he, on the other hand, he is, I have been left out. Paribhutaha Parantapaha Aham. I, the one who is a scratcher of my own enemies, at the present moment, Ityete Karanaihi Sugrivasya Sharanam Gataha. I am now under the command or under the grace of Sugriva. If he feels that he wants to do, only I can get the help. Otherwise, I cannot do anything. What is he doing? Saha Sugrivaha Kalam Parisankyayas. Even as the time, considering the time, understanding the limitation of time that we have, because now already 4 months are over, rain has taken away that. Before that, few months are over, have gone since she left. So it's going to be almost like 8 months now. Now, further delay, Sitaya Parimargane Kalam Parisankyayam. Even he knows Kritartha. Sugrivaha Kritartha. Kritartha means he has accomplished his part of the deal. I have given him his kingdom. I am giving him back his own wife, his life, his people, his ministers, his country. Durmatihi samayam na avabuddhyate. He doesn't understand time, the importance of time. And that is running out for me, not for him. His work is done. Sa Kishkindam Pravishya, that very Kishkinda you enter. And Tvam Buddhim Dum Bruhi, you please tell him, Manara Pungavam Bruhi. To that king of the monkeys, you please tell him, Murkham, stupid. Gramya Sukhe Saktam. And he is just Gramya Sukhe Saktam. He is merely enjoying, relishing his Gramya Sukha means the basic pleasures. Sugrivam Mama Vachanan Bruhi. Tell him the words that I am going to tell you right now. What to address him, what to tell him. I'm going to tell you about that. Artinam upamannanam.
Artinam upapannanam.
Purvam chapyupakarinam.
Purvam chapyupakarinam.
Asham samshrutya yohanti.
Asham samsrutya yohanti.
Saloke purushadamaha.
Saloke purushadhamaha.
Shubham va yadi va papam.
Shubham va yadi va papam.
Yohi vakyamudiritam.
Yohi vakyamudiritam.
Satyena parigrihnate.
Satyena parigrihnati.
Savira purushottamaha.
Savira purushottamaha.
Kritartha hi akritarthinam.
Kritartha hi akritarthanam.
Mitranam na bhavanti ye.
Mitranam na bhavanti ye.
Anmritan abhikravyata.
तान् मृतानपि क्रव्यादाः
कृतघ्नान् नोपभुञ्जते
कृतघ्नान्नोपभुञ्जते
नूनं काञ्चन पृष्ठस्य
नूनं काञ्चनपृष्ठस्य
विकृष्टस्य मया रणे
विकृष्टस्य मया रणे
द्रष्टुमिच्छसि चापस्य द्रष्टुमिच्छसि चापस्य
द्रष्टुमिच्छसि चापस्य
रूपं विद्युत् रणोपमम्
रूपं विद्युद्गणोपमम्
विद्युत् गण उपम घोरं जातल निर्घोषम्
घोरं जातलनिर्घोषम्
क्रुद्धस्य मम संयुगे
क्रुद्धस्य मम संयुगे
निर्घोषमिव वज्रस्य
निर्घोषमिव वज्रस्य
पुनः संश्रोतुमिच्छसि
पुनः संश्रोतुमिच्छसि
काममेवं गतोऽप्यस्य
काममेवं गतेऽप्यस्य
परिज्ञाते पराक्रमे
परिज्ञाते पराक्रमे
त्वत्सहायस्य मे वीर
त्वत्सहायस्य मे वीर
न चिन्ता स्यान्नृपात्मज
न चिन्तास्यान्नृपात्मज
यदर्थम् अयमारम्भः
यदर्थम् अयमारम्भः
कृतः परपुरञ्जय
कृतः परपुरञ्जय
समयं नाभिजानाति
समयं नाभिजानाति
कृतार्थप्लवगेश्वरः
कृतार्थप्लवगेश्वरः
वर्षासमयकालं तु
वर्षासमयकालं तु
प्रदिशाय right
प्रतिज्ञा
प्रदिशाय हरीश्वरः
प्रतिज्ञाय हरीश्वरः
प्रतिज्ञाय correct that's right प्रतिज्ञाय हरीश्वरः
प्रतिज्ञाय
व्यतीतां
हरीश्वरः
व्यतीतां चतुरो मासान्
व्यतीतां चतुरो मासान्
विहरन्नावबुध्यते
विहरन्नावबुध्यते
आमात्यपरिषत्क्रीडन्
तामात्यपरिषत्क्रीडन्
पानमेवोपसेवते
पानमेवोपसेवते
शोकदीनेषु नास्मासु
शोकदीनेषु नास्मासु
सुग्रीवः कुरुते दयाम्
सुग्रीवः कुरुते दयाम्
your connection you have I think it's wireless it's delaying पूर्वम् अर्थिनाम् उपपन्नानां च अपि उपकारिणाम् आशां संश्रुत्य यो हन्ति स लोके पुरुषेषु अधमः पुरुषोत्तम पुरुषोदमः these are the two contradictory characteristics uttama purusha uttama purusha is not supreme self you are purusheshu uttama among the people the one who is best is called purushottama purushodamah purushodamah means the purushadamah so purusha adamah meaning the lowest rank of the people is called purushadama sometimes when you write in English if you don't read it correctly instead of purushottam you say purushadama which is really bad. It's like when I was studying in school we had one teacher his name is Ranga our Rangana Ranga shortly called Ranga and his father's name was Kuppuswamy. And in India, when they build houses, they write their name also outside in that house, they put a plate. Like, the house of so-and-so, similarly. In Tamil, they put the first letter of the fathers because they try to Kuppuswamy Ranga, it's Ranganathan, so it's very long. So Right. So he put ku dot Ranga. In Tamil, Kuranga means monkey. So it will be written outside. Kuranga. So we ku dot Ranga actually it is. So the Kuranga. So when we pass by the road, all the students they make a big shout, Kuranga, which means a monkey. And similarly, when you read instead of Purushottama, by mistake it's a Purushadama. It's just the opposite. Who is the lowest among the men in the world? Loke saha Purushadama. Who are artinam upapannanam. Those people who have come to surrender to him, who is so sorrow-stricken due to some reason, Purvam. Api upakarinam, one from whom you have taken the help also. Asham samshrutya, their hope, having what they want, having listened to it, yohanti, one who destroys it. Such a person is the most lowest rank of people in the world. On the other hand, Shubhamba Yediva Papam Yogi Vakyam Udiritam. On the other hand, who takes gives the promise. Shubhamba Yediva Papam. Useful or unuseful, whatever it is, which is will produce good result or a bad result. Shubhamba Yediva Papam Yogi Vakyam Udiritam, which is promised. Satyena parigrihnati, truthfully one who grasps it or follows that, saviraha purushottama, he is valorous and he is best among the people. Meaning, ingratitude is the most punishable, morally punishable. Because somebody is completely depending on you for the word that you have uttered. This is applicable even in the marriage. Because the man of man says that I will take care of this one, and he doesn't. It's a great, consider as a great sin. And therefore, it's a moral and an ethical debacle. Law of the land, unless there is a written contract, there cannot be cannot be held responsible. But morally, ethically, that person is considered low. Kritartha akritarthanam mitranam na bhavanti. Having accomplished one's own end, but at the same time, one who is not ready to help his own friends. Tan mrutanabi kravyadaha kritaknan na upabanjate. Kritaknan na upabanjate kravyadaha api. Tan mrutan, when such people, ingratitude people, when they die, even the carnivorous animals or humans, kravyadaha, kravya means flesh, kravyam atti the kravyadaha. So those who are eaters of flesh, human flesh, even they don't eat such person's meat or flesh. Tan mrutanabi kravyadaha kritaknana upapanchate. Indeed, nunam kanjana prishtasya vikrishtasya mayarane drashtumichasi. You tell him, do you want to see my arrows which are like vidyut gana upamam? Vidyut, like that of a host of vidyut, lightning, that speed, that power, those kind of my own arrows which is coming out of mama chapasya rupam, maya rane chapasya rupam drashtumichasi. You want to see it again? I have showed you how I can attack 7 trees at the same time with one arrow. Also, the huge valley, how he was completely brought down by my arrows. You would like to see the golden bow of mine. Nunam kanchana prishtasya vikrishtasya, which is bent. Vikrishta means which is bent. And that from which maya rane ma chapasya vidyut ganopamam drashtumichasi rupam. Vidyut ganopamam rupam drashtumichasi. You want to see those shafts which are like that of the lightning coming out of it. Goram jatalani nirgosham. Jatala means the twang. Nirgosham, the sound. Goram, which is terrible. Mama samyuge kriddasya, me the one who is making that sound, who is very, very angry in the war. Vajrasya nirgoshamiva punah. Again, it will sound like that of the thunder, lightning. Samshrotum ichasi. You would like to hear that again? Kamamevam gataha apyasya parignyade parakrame tvat sahayasya me he veera na chinta syat Nripatmaja. O son of the king, you have no thought about me, O valorous one, tvat sahayasya, me the one who has helped you out at the present moment. Kamameva evangate abhi asya. What kind of a help I rendered? Whatever you wished. You wanted your country back. You wanted Vali to be killed. You wanted your people and your wife. Kamam eva gata abhi asya tat sahasya. Parignyate parakrame me the one who is well known for my parakrama. I presently, who I am now desirous of getting back my own Sita, and you are not at all thinking about it. Na chinta asya Nripatmaja. Yadartam ayam arambaha. For what sake we have entered into this contract or entered into this friendship? Yadartam ayam arambaha kritaha. E parapuranjaya. Oh, the one who is destroyer of the enemy's place. Samayam abhijanadi. He does not understand the time. Kritarthaha plavakeshwaraha. Sugriva, the one whose part of the deal is accomplished, or whose sake the whole thing has started. Varshaha samayakalam tu parignyaya Harishwaraha. Harishwara, the best of the monkey king. Kalam samayakalam tu Varshaha samayakalam tu parignyaya. During the time of the rain when he has promised. Varshaha samayakalam tu pratignyaya. He has given the promise during the rainy season that at the end of it, he will take care of it. Vyatitan Chaturo Masan. 4 months have gone since he promised. Viharan na avabudyate. Viharan, reveling in his own pleasures, na avabudyate. He is not aware of it. What promise he has already rendered or given to me. Samadhya Parishat, with all his ministers and dear people around him, Kridan, sporting. Panameva upasevate, drinking liquor. So while he is that, dayam na kurute, he has no compassion at all, no consideration at all. About whom? Shoka dineshu asmasu sukri. About we, the one who are here, all alone, suffering, waiting. See, this is what is to be understood from these narrations, that in the Treta Yuga, which immediately followed Satya Yuga, There is no question of writing down what is the duty and responsibility of an individual. It is understood that you know it. Because the faith and trust between people is so strong. In today's world, it has to be written down, attested, and there is a gazette officer who has to sign it also. Even then, they don't follow. And nobody cares. Oh, let us meet in the law, court of law. And it takes 20 years to get it, decide that the result. By the time you would have enjoyed everything. Commit a murder or commit anything you want and then take bail. And live aram se, because it never comes to the court even after some 20-25 years. So who cares? There are politicians in this world who are in bail, living forever. Everywhere it happens. It keep on postponing. The lawyers know how to delay the whole thing. There is no morality, sensibility about I have given a word, I have given a promise, and not fulfilling is a sin. That sensitivity is not there. So, in Satya Yuga, everything was done by everybody correctly. I mean, it is said to be the ideal condition where everybody knows what to do and then they followed it to the teeth. Nobody needs to remind them. Whereas in the case of Treta Yuga, as we see, Sugriva had forgotten his part of the deal. See, the promise that Dasharatha gave, he stuck to it. Sugriva did not sticking to his own promise. Let's see the contradiction that is being presented here. Shows how people easily forget their own responsibilities. So in the Treta Yuga, it is a decline already started taking place in the character of the human. Think about Dwapara Yuga, where Duryodhana and others, they say, the Pandavas, they have told them that, okay, you go 13 years and after you come back, we'll get back your kingdom. Nothing. Fight if you want to. Yeah, I'm not going to give. At least in the Treta Yuga, where Sri Rama was, the Sugriva delayed promise, delayed fulfillment of promise. Whereas in the Dwapara Yuga, I'm not going to give. You fight if you want to take it back from me. That is total distrust. And so further decline in Kali Yuga. What promise? When did I give you that? No idea. I don't even remember. Total denial. So that is the condition of the human mind presently. So Rama is reminding through Lakshmana, Uchyatam gaccha Sugrivaha,
Uchyatam gaccha Sugrivaha,
Tvaya Veera Mahabala,
Tvaya Veera Mahabala,
Mama Roshasya Yadrupam,
Mama Roshasya Yadrupam,
Bruyachainamidam Vachaha,
Dhruyaschainamidam Vachaha,
Nasasankuchitah Panta,
Nasatankuchitah Pantha,
Yena Vali Hato Gataha,
Yena Vali Hato Gataha,
Samaye Tishta Sugriva,
Samaye Tishta Sugriva,
Ma Vali Padama Manvagaha,
Ma Vali Patamanvagaha,
Eka Evarane Vali,
Eka eva rane vali,
Sharena Nihato Maya,
Sharena nihato maya,
Tvam tu Satyadadikrantam,
Tvam tu satyadatikrantam,
Anishyami Sabandhavam,
Hanishyami tabandhavam,
Yadevam Vihite Karye,
Yadevam vihite karye,
Yadvidam Purusharshava,
Yadditam purusharshabha,
Tad Bruhi Narasreshta,
तत्तद्ब्रूहि नरश्रेष्ठ
परकालव्यतिक्रमः
त्वरकालव्यतिक्रमः
हे वीर महाबल गच्छ go oh the strong one the mighty one oh Lakshmana त्वया सुग्रीवः उच्यताम् सुग्रीवः the Sugriva may be told by you त्वया उच्यताम् mama roshasya idrupam the form of my anger enamidam vachah buruyah these words be uttered by you which the form of my own anger what is it Vali hato gataha yena panta hato gataha Vali yena panta Vali has been killed by what way or the what road by which he had been sent out sa na sankuchita that very path or the road is not yet closed the door to the death where Vali went is not yet closed. Kuchita means shrunk. Sankuchita means very well shut. Na sankuchita. It is not yet shut. It is not yet closed down. Therefore, it is indirectly says, I can send you to the same place if I want to. Hey Sugriva, samaye tishta. Therefore, according to the time you complete your task, ma Vali patam anvagaha. Do not follow the path of Vali. I can send you within no time. Eka eva sharena. In the war, Rane, eka eva sharena Vali nihato maya. Maya nihataha Vali. With one single shaft, I have destroyed Vali. Satyadadikrantam tvam sabandhavam tvam anishyami. Along with all your people, I will kill you. Who? You, the one who has moved away from your own words, your own promise. Satyadadikrantam tvam sabandhavam anishyami. I will kill you. Yedidam e purushashava yedidam karyam yet idam yet hitam karyam. Whatever is correct, whatever is beneficial to you, evam vihite karyam. This the way it is ordained. Kala vidikramaha about the time that has already elapsed. Tattat bruhi narasreshta. Him, please go and tell him. Because he has forgotten what is already been promised by him. When we go there, O Lakshmana, and remind him about what? Kala vidikramaha bruhi. Whatever is useful to him, please tell him. Because if I take my bow and arrow, then he has to, I will not put it down, and he has to face it. Kurushva satyam mama vanareshvara.
Kurushva satyam mama vanareshvara.
Pratishrutam dharmam aveksha shashvatam.
Pratishrutam dharmam aveksha shashvatam.
Mavalinam preta gato yamakshaye.
Mavalinam preta gato yamakshaye.
Mamadhya pashyer mama choditaksharaihi.
Tvamadhya pashyir mama choditashyaraihi.
Apurvajam tivra viruddha kopam.
Sapurvajam tivra vivruddha kopam.
Lalapyamanam prasamikshadinam.
Lalapyamanam prasamikshadinam.
Chakarati brahmati mugratejacha.
Chakarati brahmati mugratejaha.
Harishware manava vamshavardhanaha.
Harishware manava vamshavardhanaha.
Hey Vanareshwara, dharmam shashvatam pradishrutam avekshya. Considering or realizing shashvatam dharmam, the eternal law, eternal truth, pradishrutam, which is heard by you, which is known to you, pradishrutam or very well known, shashvatam dharmam avekshya, he vanareshvara, mama satyam kurushva. Whatever promise that you have given, please complete that. Otherwise, what happened? Hey, mama chodita sharaihi, the arrows that will be released by me, mama chodita sharaihi, valinam pretakata yamakshaye tvam adya ma pashye. Do not get into the same place where Vali is there. Where is Vali? Pretakataha Vali. One was already dead. Yamakshaye, at the abode of death. Tvam adya ma pashye. May you not go there to see him. I will send you to the same place where he is, the abode of Yama, and you better don't go there to see him, because of my own arrows which I will release otherwise. So now, Manava Vamsha Vardhana, Lakshmana, hearing all these things, Manava Vamsha Vardhana, Manava Vamsha means Manu's dynasty. We are all Manu's dynasty, therefore we are called Manavaha. Manuputraha, Manusantati, they are called Manavaha. Manava Vamshavardhana, he the one who is the progenitor or sustainer of the human kingdom. Lakshmana. Purvajam Ramam. Rama, the one who is born before him. Purvajam. Tivra Vivritta Kobam. Tivra Vivritta Kobam, one who has intensified anger, visible. Vivritta. Lalapyamanam, lamenting. Deenam, pitiably. Samikshya, seeing him. Tivra Madim Ugratejaha. Harishware, about Harishwara, about Sugriva. Tivram Madim Ugrateja, with intensified anger and rage. Tivra Madim Chakara. Tivra Madim Chakara. He decided with his intensified anger, he decided what? Go there and show what Rama is going through and what will be the result of such an anger of Rama, and where if he does not fulfill the commitment on his part, what will happen to Sugriva. That he decided to show after having seen the brother of his, elder brother of his, going through such a lamentation and anguish. Ityasya Srimad Ramayane Valmiki Adikavya Kishkinda Kante Trisha Sargaha, 30th canto. Now the thing is, now Lakshmana had to exactly replay the whole thing what Rama had told him. But you know Lakshmana, he is basically a person of great anger. But at the same time, he is wise too. It's not that he's overpowered by anger. He's not angry at all on anything else, but anything that happens to Rama, he cannot tolerate. About his own personal comfort and other things, he is disbothered. But if it comes to Rama, anything, he is definitely disturbed. So therefore, here, Lakshmana, who is ready to take off. So he assures now to Lakshmana, Rama also, that I will definitely take care of the situation. Sakaminam deenamadina sattvam.
सकामिनं दीनमदीनतत्त्वं
Shokapipannam samudirna kopam.
शोकाभिपन्नं समुदीर्णकोपं
Narendra sunuhu naradeva putram.
नरेन्द्रसूनुः नरदेवपुत्रं
Ramanujapurvajam ityuvacha.
रामानुजः पूर्वजमित्युवाचः
Navanarastasyati sadhuvrutte.
नवानरस्तास्यति साधुवृत्ते
Namanyate karma palanusangan.
न मन्यते कर्मफलानुशङ्कान्
Nabokshate vanararajya lakshmim.
न भोक्ष्यते वा नरराजलक्ष्मीम्
Tatahinaadikramatesya buddhihi.
तथा हि नातिक्रमतेऽस्य बुद्धिः
Madikshayad gramya sukeshu saktah.
मतिक्षयाद्ग्राम्य सुखेषु सक्तः
Tava prasadat pratikara buddhihi.
तव प्रसादात् प्रतिकार बुद्धिः
Atograjam pashyad veeravalinam.
अतोऽग्रजं पश्यतु वीरवालिनम्
Rajyamevam vigunasya deyam.
न राज्यमेवं विगुणस्य देयम्
Tadaraye kopamudirna vegam.
न धारये कोपमुदीर्न वेगम्
Nihanmi sugrivam asatyamadya.
निहं सुग्रीवमसत्यमद्य
Haripravirai sahavali putro.
हरिप्रवीरै सह वालिपुत्रो
Narendra पुत्र्या विजयं करोतु.
नरेन्द्रपुत्र्या विजयं करोतु
तमात्तबाणासनमुत्पतन्तम्.
तमात्तबाणासनमुत्पतन्तम्
निवेदनार्थं रणचण्डकोपम्.
निवेदितार्थं रणचण्डकोपम्
उवाच रामः परिवीरहन्ता.
उवाच रामः परिवीरहन्ता
परवीरहन्ता स्ववीक्षितं सानुनयं च वाक्यम्.
स्ववीक्षितं सानुनयं च वाक्यम्
सः कामिनं दीनमदीनं मदीनसत्वं शोकाभिपन्नं समुदीर्णकोपं नरेन्द्र सूनुः नरदेवपुत्रं रामानुज पूर्वमित्युवाच. पूर्वजम् to that Rama who is born before him, elder. Kaminam, one who is now stung with the love for his own wife. Deenam, pitiable. Adina Sattvam, and he's already, his own mind has become most pitiable. And Deenam, Adina Sattvam. The two words are used beautifully. And he having he is pitiable and Adina Sattvam. Dina is so one who is helpless. But at the same time, who is he? He is the one who helps everyone. Adina Sattvam, Deenam. That's a beautifully used word. His own mind, which is helpful to everyone, now presently it is helpless. Shoka Abhipannam, filled with his own sorrow. Samudirna Kopam, which intensified anger. Who is he? Naradeva Putram. The one who is the son of Dasharatha, Naradeva. Is Dasharatha not only human, Nara, but he is equal to Deva. So Naradeva Putram, he is the God among men, that such a person's son. To him, who talked? Narendra Sunuhu, Ramanujaha, Uvacha. Purvajam iti Uvacha. So he addressed, who addressed? Naradeva, Narendra Sunuhu, the son of the best of the king, Ramanujaha, Lakshmanaha, Uvacha. You see, I understand that you have done your part of the deal, O Rama, and gave him the kingdom, gave him everything, but I don't think he deserves it. Karma phala anushangan na manyate. He doesn't connect these dots. He didn't realize without you, he would not have done. He would have still living, he would be still living in hideout, out of fear for Vali, running from place to place, not able to show his face. He would not have enjoyed all these things. He doesn't get the connection. Na manyade karma pananushangan, na sadhu vritte. He doesn't have the nobility. Vanaraha stasyati, he remains. So therefore, he will not, I don't think he will be able to enjoy any further the pleasures that he is now going through. Na bhokshate vanara rajya lakshmi. He will not be now anymore enjoying his own pleasures of the kingdom. Vanara rajya lakshmi. Tadahi na adikramate asya buddhi. As if he does not move forward, na adikramate asya buddhi. As his mind is not moving forward away from his own pleasures, he will no more be able to enjoy his own pleasures of the kingdom, because he doesn't see the connection that he got all these things because of you. Madikshayat gramya sukeshu saktaha tava prasadat pratikara buddhihi madikshayat. Because of his pleasures that he is enjoying now presently, his madi, his own understanding has become decayed, destroyed. Madikshayat gramya sukeshu saktaha. One who is basically indulging in the carnal pleasures. Tava prasadat, because of your grace. Pratikara buddhihi, the gratitude or giving it back is part of the deal, is no more, is there. Pashyatu hataha rajyam. Hataha agrajam. Having seen his own brother, agrajam hataha, veeravalinam agrajam na rajamevam vigunasya deyam. This particular kingdom, which actually belong to Vali, actually it is Vali is the original king. After that, he gave it to Sugriva for the reason that he is going behind the Rakshasa, etc. And then Sugriva took over. Now, after Sugriva took over, he came back and asked him to get out, and then he became the king. Now, Sugriva again went back unto Rama and then said that I want, and then again, he was killed. See, the thing is, basically, Vali has been killed and he has seen it. And for him, he doesn't deserve this kingdom anymore, who has not completed his part of the deal. Sugrivam asatyam adya nihanmi. Evam vigunasya deyam. Evam rajyam veeravalinam evam rajyam. This kingdom that belonged to Vali should not be given to this Sugriva. He should no more deserve this. Kropam udirna vegam na dharaye. I am not able to bear that intensified anger that is coming to me. Sugrivam asatyam adya nihanmi. Now, Sugriva, who is standing for asatyam, absence of standing by his own promise, I will definitely kill him. Nihanmiya Sugrivam asatyam adya, today. And Vali Putra, on the other hand, Vali Putra, let him become the one who will take up this task of looking for Sita. Valiputraha Haripravirehi Saha, along with the best of the king monkeys, Narendra Putriyaha Vichayam Karotu, Vichayam, search. Let him, Angada, let him start the, after killing Sugriva, let me allow Angada to take care of searching for Sita. Narendra Putriyaha Vichayam Karotu. And this way, when Lakshmana had decided to kill Sugriva for what he has not completed, Rama got a little disturbed. I am not intending to make you, I'm not sending you to kill him actually, only to warn him. Killing I will do if needed. But you please go and warn only, do not take up any action from your own. Tamatta banam banasanam utpadantam tam Lakshmanam Ranachanda Komam. He has that anger that we find only in the war, furiousness. Nivedita Artham, having submitted his purpose clearly. Nivedita submitted Artham, the purpose. Tamatta Banasanam, one who has uplifted, has taken up his own quiver of arrows. Utpadantam, ready to proceed. Rama Uvacha. To that, Ramaha Paravirahanta, Ramaha, the one who is the destroyer of the enemy's power, Swavikshidam Sanunayam Chavakyam Uvacha. Savikshidam, very clearly thinking about it. Vikshita means thought about it. Savikshidam Vakyam Sanunayam, which is a very civilized way of speaking. That Vakyam Uvacha, he said. Nahi vai tvadvido loke.
Nahi vai tvadvido loke.
Papamevam samacharet.
Papamevam samacharet.
Kopamaryena yohanti.
Kopamaryena yohanti.
Savira purushottamah.
Savira purushottamah.
Nedamatra tvaya grihyam. Nedamatra tvaya grahyam.
Nedamatra tvaya grahyam.
Sadhu vrittena Lakshmana.
Sadhu vrittena Lakshmana.
Tam priti manuvartasva.
Tam priti manuvartasva.
Purva vrittam cha sangatam.
Purva vrittam cha sangatam.
Samopahitaya vacha.
Samopahitaya vacha.
Rukshani parivarjayan.
Rukshani parivarjayan.
Bhaktumarhasi sugrivam.
Bhaktumarhasi sugrivam.
Yatitam kalaparyaye.
Vyatitam kalaparyaye.
Loke Twadvidaha papamevam nahi samacharet. Twadvidaha, like you people, evam papam na samacharet. In this world, this kind of a papa or killing a person, it should not be, is not done. Aryena yo kopam aryena yo hanti saviraha purushottama. Indeed, yo hanti, kopam hanti, one who is a destroyer of his own anger. Aryena, with the noble ways, such a person is Veera, a Purushottama. Such a person is Veeraha Purushottama. He is the best, he is the real Veera. Real killing is to be done to the anger, should be killed, not the person. Tvaya na idam atra grahyam sadhu vrittena Lakshmana. Oh, sadhu vrittena tvaya, by the one you are, who are a man of such noble virtues, a Lakshmana. Na idam atra grahyam. Not don't come take this kind of a standpoint. Go there and tam purvrittam sangadam pritim anuvartasva. Interesting thing is, Rama spoke with great anger and with great sorrow and anger and everything mixed. But he is telling Lakshmana, you go and talk to him very nicely. Treat him with love, anuvartasva. Go and speak to him about Purva Vrittam, about what has happened, how he promised. Also Sangadam, the friendship, all that. And how Sama Upahitaya Vacha, with conciliatory language, Rukshani Parivarjayan, removing or getting rid of your own anger. Sugrivam Vaktum Arhasi, you the one who is supposed to speak to him. Vyatitam Kala Parye, about that time that has already elapsed, that he has to complete his task. Its reign is over and now search should begin. About that, please tell him. Interesting. Rama created the angry situation and Lakshmana followed it. Then even suddenly Rama said, no, don't get upset about this. Tell him in correct words about what he is supposed to do. Aganita Guna Gana Bhushana Rama Ashrita Vatsala Jaya Jaya Rama Ayodhyavasi Sita Rama Apad Bandhava Jaya Jaya Rama Dasharatanandana Sri Rama Dashamukhamardana Jaya Jaya Rama Kausalya Sukhavardhana Rama Kamita Palata Jaya Jaya Rama Papa Vimochana Sri Rama Pattabhirama Jaya Jaya Rama Janaki Jivana Sita Rama Jaya Raghurama Jaya Siya Rama Vanara Sevita Sri Rama Varidhi Vandana Jaya Jaya Rama Hanumat Pujita Sita Rama Jaya Raghurama Jaya Siya Rama Raghupati Raghava Raja Rama Patita Pavana Sita Rama Sri Ram Jaya Rama Sri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Rama Siyavara Ramachandra ki Jai Pavana Sutta Hanuman ki Jai Umapati Mahadeva ki Jai Bolo Bhai Sab Santan ki Jai.